Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. In the past 24 hours, fake token have continued to rise. Fake token have continued to increase, almost 4% increase in price today. And yesterday, of course, fake token was also on rise. Now, about $4,338,927 has been added on fake token, and I'm happy to see that price have continued to rise. Since the beginning of the year, fake token has maintained an uptrend in terms of price, in terms of market cap. Fake token is one of the best small cap coins. Last year they actually did well, and I believe this year they're also going to do well. Now, fake token have also gotten top exchanges that have listed this coin like Gate.io and also Bitcoin, and I'm hoping that more exchanges like Binance, like Coinbase, Kucoin will be coming in to list fake token. Now, one thing fake token lack right now is that fake token just need to start burning massively. Okay, if they can continue to burn fake token coins, if fake token will continue to gain more exchanges listing fake token, it is going to help fake token to really increase in price. Now, fake token also need more community, which I feel on that of Twitter, of course they have great followers, but they still need to run social media advert is going to help fake token. Now, fake token, when you compare fake token to that of Shiba Doge, when you compare fake token to that of a Tectonic token, you see this is one of the best crypto coins. People have been searching about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake, and I believe that this coin can delete 2 zeros if this coin continues to gain a lot of rise, a lot of market cap. But the truth is, this year 2023, I'm expecting more from fake token, especially in the area of burning fake token coins. The fake token right now is still trading with about 9 zeros. Now imagine investing the $100 on fake token, and fake token goes ahead to delete 3 zeros. That is about $100,000. Wow, that is turning your $100 into $100,000. That is going to be a lot of profit, because for me, that's the target for so many people. This coin deleting 3 zeros right now, it still have about 9 zeros, and it is possible that fake token can delete 3 zeros. But deleting 3 zeros, that will not happen in this year 2023. I know anything can happen, but the truth is, before the end of 2025 down to 2030, fake token might end up deleting between 2 to 5 zeros. I know 2030 is a very long period of time, but anything can still happen. We also happen with Shiba, in the late 2020 and then 2021. So any coin has a possibility for these coins to delete zeros in a single year, in the 12 months. So fake tokens have that possibility. Fake token have that balance, that foundation, that support that they need to really go viral, to really increase in price. I'm hoping for this coin to continue to pump, to continue to increase. The market cap right now is almost sitting there over $30 million. So by the time this market cap will be hitting 1 billion, don't be surprised to see fake token deleting between 1 or 2 zeros. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.